Good afternoon, students. Last class we all studied what? Demand function and determination of demand. Demand function is D is demand, F is function, P is price. Determination, so many determinations. Change in taste and fashions, weather, taxation, and change in saving, state the trade activities, advertisement, change in income, so many determinations. Today we are discuss about one new topic is reasons for exceptional demand curve. Kiffen paradox, first one. The Kiffen goods or inferior goods is an exception to the law of demand. When the price of an inferior good falls, the poor will be buy less and vice versa. The example is one best example is rice and ragi. Rice and ragi. That is inferior goods. Inferior goods means that is low level of goods. That value is very low. Example ragi, rice. That is low level of goods. That goods is a inferior goods. That inferior goods when prices fall down means poor people's purchase only less quantity only. That is inferior goods. Second one, Veblen or demonstration effect. Veblen has explained the exceptional demand curve through his determinant of Confucius consumption. Confucius means some person consumer is society, some low income persons only, but society is our status is high level, created high level. That person is Confucius consumption. A rich people buy certain goods because it is give a social distinction or prestige. Or example is diamond. His family situation is very poor situation only, but society is created high level, created in one high level. That person is examples of diamond. Next one, ignorance. Sometimes the quality of commodity is judged by the price and consumer thinking that the product is superior. If the price is high, such they buy more at the higher price. More at the higher price. Some person is ignore. Ignorance means that is that goods is not awareness or not unknowledgeable persons. That is ignorant persons. That ignorant persons listen superior of price is high, as such buy more at the price. Some person is price is high means that commodity only best commodity. That commodity only best commodity. But low rate means that commodity is very poor. That commodities waste. Usefulness very less only. That mindset of consumers is set up in ignorance. Speculative effect. Next one. If the price of the commodities is increasing, then the consumer will buy more of because of the exception that is will increasing still further. Example is stock market or gold is speculative. Futurely the price is increase means purchasing more commodity that time. That is speculative effect. Today is gold 1 sovereign is 1 sovereign 38 rupee 38,000 means futurely or after 2 years 80,000 or 70,000 means presently you purchasing more gold, that is speculative effect. Fear of shortage. During the time of the emergency or war, people maybe accept storage of commodities and so buy more. The time is next week lockdown means beforely purchase more commodities purchase, that is fear of shortage. Next one important topic is measurement of elasticity of demand. There are three methods of measurement price elasticity of demand. Measuring three methods. First one is percentage method. First one is what? Percentage of method. EP means elasticity equal to change Q by change P into P by Q. Change of Q means what? Quantity, P means price. It also known as ratio method. When it measures the ratios, the EP equal to percentage change Q by percentage change of P, that is percentage of change Q, percentage of change in demand, percentage of QP, percentage of change in price, demand or quantity Q. Next one, second one is total outlay method. The Marshall suggested the simplest way to decide whether demand is elasticity or inelasticity is so examine the change in total outlay of consumer or total revenue of the firm. Sometimes some commodities is prices, some more want means that commodity its production is high means automatically organization profit elasticity. But sometimes commodity is wants is very less only, demand is very less only. That time is inelasticity of the firm. That formula is total revenue equal to price into quantity sold. That is TR means total revenue equal to P into quantity sold. Quantity sold. Next one. Next one, point or geometrical elasticity. When the demand curve is a straight line, its side of to be a linear. Demand curve is what? Straight line. It is side of the linear. The geographically the point of the elasticity of linear demand curve is show we will ratio of the segment of lines to the right and to the left of the particular point. Demand curve and supply curve that already one class, last class we are discussed. That is demand curve. DD is a demand curve. SS equal to SS is a supply curve. The lower segment of demand curve, the point of elasticity equal to below the given point, upper the segment of demand curve. Upper segment of demand curve about the given a point. Next one is EP means velocity of price equal to L by TD. U means price fixation. Each seller under a monopoly and imperfect competition has to take into account of velocity of demand while fixing the price for his product. If he demand for the product inelasticity, he can fix a higher price. fix price fixation. That is each seller under monopoly and imperfect competition. Monopoly means single product only produces, that is monopoly. Imperfect competition means, example, LED TV. LED TV means is a market field, so many different companies in field. Samsung, Sansui, LG, Panasonic, Sony, so many companies are said that product only in LED TV, but different company in market field, that is imperfect competition. That company is a price is different fixing in different price level. Next one, production. Producers generally decide their production level on the basis of demand for the product. Producers generally decide a production level on basis of demand for the price level. The demand is increasing means automatically price is increasing. Demand less means the price is some commodity price is constant level only. That some commodity is constant level only. Few commodities only price increasing means demand increasing means automatically price increase. Demand decreasing means automatically price decrease. Some commodities demand increasing or demand decreasing means but price is only in constant level only. Next one, distribution. Elasticity of demand also help in determination of the reward for the factor of production. The factor of production means one, land, labor, capital, and organization. That four under any one shortage means automatically factor of production totally affected. That is factor of production. Next one, international trade. The velocity of demand helps in find out of the terms of trade between two countries. International trade means what? International trade. International trade means what? In our country, two different countries trade between trade. That is international trade. International trade is best India to India and Japan, or India and Russia. That is international trade. Interport trade means re-exporting. That is what? Interport trade. The term trade depends upon the elasticity of demand for the goods. The two countries. The two countries is demand means increasing means automatically international trade is smoothly moving, but demand is very less means the international trade less trade only. Next, public finance. Elasticity of demand helps the government in formulating the tax policy, for example, for imposing tax on commodities. Example is GST. GST means automatically GST increasing means consumers in purchasing more commodities. No, only less commodity only purchasing. Automatically tax revenue is less only. Next one, nationalization. The concept of the velocity of demand enable the governments to decide over a nationalization of industry. The demand increasing means the elasticity means is more wanted, more production. That is elasticity demand enable to government decide over nationalization of industries. The production increasing means automatically demand increasing means what? Production increasing means automatically created in employment, new opportunities in more industries in field, in more branches or more industry in new industries, new industrial units running. That is nationalization of industries. Okay, students, this is easy. Importance of demand. Very 5 mark question. This question. Next one. measures of velocity of demand, price, percentage method and total outlay method. Next one, geometrical method. This question is very important, students. Every day that the portion finished means that day you thorough this portions. You next day means your workload is heavy only. Student, next one, first lesson some one words discuss. Okay students, today first lesson one words discuss about each lesson is one word is very important part only. The one word is for each exams 10 marks in inside or book back one words. 10 marks in book back one words. First one, economics is a study of mankind in an ordinary business of life. It is the statement of what? Alfred Marshall. Second one, the basic problem studied in economics is scarcity. What? Scarcity. Third one, microeconomics is concerned with the study of individual economic unit of behavior. C. Fourth one, which of the following is microeconomic statement? The price is, we determine it is demand. Next one, fifth one, find out the odd and out. Fifth one is, listen students, this method economic subject is very important. This method one word. This method one word. In an inquiry into the nature and the causes of the wealth nation is nature and significance of the economic science. Next one, the equilibrium of the price is the price at which is quantity demand and equal quantity supplied. Next one, author of seventh one, the author of an inquiry into the nature and causes of wealth of nation is wealth of nation. Our father of economic, classical father of economics, who? Adam Smith. Next one, the economics studied human behavior as a relationship between end of the scale man which have a alternative use. It is definitions of economics is Lyon Robinson. Lyon Robbins. Next one, who is the father of economics? Who is father of economics? Is a Adam Smith. Next one, economics is a science. The basis of this statement is, the basis statement is what? All of the above. Next one, utility means wants of satisfying capacity of goods and service. Next one, market. Market, a system where a person buy and sell a goods is directly or indirectly. That is market. Which one of the following known? A point of welfare definition economics is economics deals with unlimited wants and limited means. Next one, growth definition takes into account. Take into account, answer is the problem of choice in the dynamic framework of economic. Dynamic framework. Next one, which theory is generally included under the microeconomic what? Price theory. Next one, dash have exchanging the value and their ownership of the rights can be established and exchange its goods. Next one, identifying the characteristics of utility. It depends upon consumer mental attitude. Depends upon consumer mental attitude. Next one, who has scarcity of definition? Scarcity definition is Robbins. The process of reasoning from particular to general is inductive method. The total revenue is equal to total output sold multiplied by price. Okay, students, this lesson is important. So many important topics. Next week is what? Monthly test. You write in 11th standard first exam. Every day read, students. Do not waste your time. Read properly. Students improve the time you writing practice and improve your handwriting. Okay, students, next one class, next one new topic we will discuss about. Okay, thank you.